Hey y'all, um, I'm making this video because I was getting some DMs about should I sell, should I buy a put, and all that stuff, right? So this is by today on the 1 hour time frame. If you already long or whatever, or held through the weekend, and the stock is going up, and you're like, should I sell? See, the first sign is right here. You got this candle, right? I call it a bearish candle or whatever, but you got one right here. But you see this body close above this line right here or whatever. Y'all see it? So okay. You see it hit this high. You see this right here, but then look at the RSI down here. Then you go back over here. You see it hit a high, but look at the RSI. The RSI didn't make a new high, so that's a bearish divergence. So that will be your first sign to unload your position or whatever, right? So then, would you buy puts? You could buy puts here and have your stop above this level or whatever, and then ride the wave down. But for more confirmation, you drop down to the 10 minute. See right here. Let me do this. Over here. Where is that? Same situation over here, to where this candle broke above this level, and then this one dumped right back. That didn't hold, those wicks didn't hold, and it just dumped. Okay, same situation. This candle right here, the top of this wick, the top of this wick, this broke above it, this candle dumped below that wick, right? That's another sign to like unload your position and just reposition on whatever happens next. So then you see all this right here, you don't really have a confirmation until you get over here on a 10 minute time frame. This is a 10 minute because of, let me add a line. Um, because of that line right there. See the bottom of that wick? Then that rejected. You could have entered puts there, but you wouldn't have got stopped out if you would have used that candle as your stop or whatever. Or today's high as a stop. But let me delete that real quick. Okay, but to see it better, you drop down to the 3 minutes. This for like day trading now. It's not swing trading. It's for like where the same rules still apply, but this is for day trader. And you go over here. All this on the same top from the 1 hour and the 10 minute, right? This is the candle when I say you buy puts with no hesitation, or if it was a bullish candle, you buy calls with no hesitation. But you can buy puts here, stop at the top. But you see the bottom of this candle, the wick, then you see it come down, boom, rejected. That's when that's the best position, the low puts or whatever, right? And then you see, like as it traded, then it dumped or whatever. So that's how you know to enter puts or sell your long. And vice versa. Like if you was to take this, if you was to take this chart and flip it upside down, you can do everything I just said, vice versa. Like you'll buy calls, stop, lower day. And you know, because if I it'll go like this, just like that. If you flip it upside down. But yeah, just wanted to make a quick video to let people know, show people how to get out of a trade or into putts. It's simple. Like RSI works for bearish. I only use RSI for bullish and bearish divergence. I use the MACD for indicators. MACD. I use the MACD for when it's spread far apart, or if it's like bouncing. Like when the MACD is spread far apart and it confirms with other things. Yeah, I load put, so call depends on the direction that it goes or whatever. Let me see if they got an example on the 3-minute, because it fluctuates. Like right here, you see how the chart down and it's spread real far apart. Then you know it's gonna come back together, tighten up. So even though it's still consolidated, it wouldn't make much money, but on a 4-hour time frame, like you'll make some money if you see it like that or whatever. Let's see, like up here, you see how it spread far apart, it hit the top, it spread real far apart, and then you know it's gonna come back together. So yeah, today that was an easy setup. 430 still on the table. Like I didn't see anything that changed that today. Let me see. This level right here, they could test this. What's the high on that candle? 413. But like the reason, like it mess up the weekly chart if that was to happen. Like if we go down to 413, it needs to rip all the way up by the end of the week. Even this level right here haven't been tested. See the top of that wick? It goes slide to the right, no candle, and that's 407.84. So that's possible too. But like I said, like that messes up the weekly candle. That messes up the weekly candle unless it would need a serious rally. A serious rally. And it would have to, the weekly need to close above last week candles. Like, so that's, if it hit 407, it would need to rally the minimum of 10 points for the next week after that to be good. And keep 430 on the table. But yeah, what was going on today? If you look at the 10-minute, how SPY did, and y'all remember what I was saying about QQQ, it hit that level where I would look for rejection to load up on putts. But yeah, see, SPY was squeezing up, and QQQ was trying to reverse, hit the confirm reversal. That's why I was like trying to dump. So by SPY, because SPY squeezed up, it brought QQQ up. See, whichever one had the most strength in their direction, that's what would have happened. Like if QQ would have been going down with some volume and some force, it would have drug SPY down. But SPY was more powerful, so it brought QQQ up or whatever. And it technically hadn't broke out of that level of that candle that's on the 4 hour showing. It need to cut that candle completely. Let me see if I can find it real quick. See what the top of that candle is. Damn, I meant to keep this video up under 10 minutes. The top of that candle is 324.43. Yeah, I need to crack that little candle. This little candle right here. 320. You see this line? And look at this blue line. Go back over here. See that line? The blue line right there. So basically, need to get above this blue line right here. And yeah, that'll squeeze the hell out. It should squeeze the hell out of QQQ. But as far as levels, QQQ could drop right here or right there. Drawing line. Like I just like I usually don't put these lines until I see like the confirmed reversal or whatever. But yeah, that candle is 317. So yeah, there's a chance, but like these levels already been. No, this one haven't. This one have not been tested. And 316.14. Yep. So those two levels right there. That's if it dumps. But like I said, if it dumps to save the next week, Spotty gonna need a serious rally, and QQ gonna need a serious rally. Like this need to close. QQQ needs to close above 324 at the end of the week. It need to, and then the next week we should be ready to dump like crazy or whatever. All right, y'all. Appreciate the support.